Welcome friends, Local Florida Gal here. Today, unfortunately, we are expecting a hurricane down here in Florida, well, Central Florida to be exact. Hurricane Milton is on his way, so we have bunkered down and made the executive decision to stay in a local resort. We're here at the Universal Studios Orlando Loews Royal Pacific Resort, and that is a tongue twister. And I'm just going to show you the room that we're staying in, a tour of the resort, and just my experience, especially with a hurricane coming, and the pros and cons, the tips, the benefits, everything. So stay tuned and let's do this. Let's start with the room tour. So here we have the entryway. Looks like we're in an accessible room because it has 2 peepholes. There is an area here where you can put some stuff, maybe some shoes, luggage, extra bags, and we have our trusty umbrella, and we have our little puppy with us. Not so little, he is a giant schnauzer, 9 months old, very large, but still a puppy. One thing that I love about this resort is there's so much art, and not just like printed art. There is art that's like 3D, art that's made out of, specific types of different materials. It has that Pacific Islander theme. It is very, very beautiful. So I just love it. It's throughout the hotel and it makes it feel like you're in paradise. And from the entrance, we walk into the restroom area. Here you will find a vanity with a sink and all the amenities that you need, and a full-length mirror so you can get neat and pretty. The bathroom door is a pocket door, so there is no privacy. You can hear everything, which is a con, but it does slide and it takes up less space. Here we have a shower with both a shower head and something that you can go ahead and pull out like a handle. So, if you're gonna wash the kiddos and whatnot. It's got a little bench. The products are great. They are Julian Farrell, and they are attached similar to other resorts. We got shampoo, conditioner, hand and body wash, also soap. They smell great and they are very good quality. We've got some toilet art, which is actually one of the ones, one of my favorite. I love it when they have stuff that is not just the regular print. If you look, this one is like wooden. It's carved, etched out, very pretty. Embossed, I'm not sure the terminology, but it's 3D, it stands out, and it's beautiful. We got lots of towels because there is a hurricane coming, so they gave us extra towels in case any water comes in. We have something to go ahead and put up to dry up. I will say one of the benefits here is that I have never taken a shower like I have taken a shower in this shower. That was too many showers. The water pressure is absolutely amazing. I have stayed in hotels traveling for work or for pleasure, and I have never experienced the water pressure that has come out of this shower head. Even the handle, amazing. I have thick, long hair. It takes me forever to rinse my hair out, and really it was a quick shower. If you are a family with a lot of ladies or a lot of folks with long, thick hair, it's a lot less time you're going to spend here, and you'll be able to get ready and head out to those theme parks. So call out as an amazing benefit this water pressure. Right in front of the vanity, you've got a closet so you can put lots of things in. It's got a safe in there. And here we go into our living room. Now we are staying in a 1-bedroom king suite. So this is the living space. It is currently in total 670 square footage. That is a sleeper sofa. We have here a work area. And yes, I've already set myself up for both work and to do my YouTube videos. Lots of lighting. There is no switches in the wall. You actually have to go individually to light each one up. So that is a con, but it is a very spacious area. There's a mini fridge in there with everything that you need. You've got some complimentary waters. As you can see, I have a large crate in here, and it pretty much looks like it doesn't even take up that much space in the room. We have got, oh, and this is a pet-friendly room, as you can tell, because there is previous wear and tear from our favorite little fur babies. But all in all, it's a very clean room and very comfortable. So I did mention that this is a sleeper sofa, and there is a lot of places to sit here, and you'll see that now. This is the view that we have, which is the front of the resort. That's where you go in, you drive up, you can either self-park or valet, and then you walk in and you go into the tower. We are currently, sorry, you go into the lobby. We are currently in Tower 1. Tower 2 is over there, and then Tower 3 is after. So this is our view. We are on the 4th floor. The lobby actually starts on the 3rd floor. More art, TV. Let's go into the bedroom. So again, we do have a king size bed, very comfortable. TV, the drawers are very spacious. I love the carpet design. It's very like 3D effect. We've got either a sitting area or more space to put some stuff on. This is our view. And we've got lots of light in here. Oh, one of the benefits that I wanted to mention in the living room is here in the workstation, there is USB ports on both sides, and there are a lot of outlets. So that is great to have, as well as each nightstand here also has USB ports with lots of outlets. And the alarm clock, you can set your phone here on top and it'll go ahead and charge automatically. More USB ports, it's great. Here we have a little nook with a little table for reading and more beautiful art. Shout out to the wallpaper, absolutely love it. Love the colors and the theming of this room and overall the entire suite. Now, I don't know if I mentioned that I've already stayed here one night, so sorry, forgot if I didn't mention. We checked in yesterday, Tuesday after work, and because we were supposed to experience the hurricane, we're going to start feeling it sometime later on today throughout Thursday, and then we check out Friday. Also, I looked at the footage before, and that water behind me is not complimentary. It's $7.50, but there's water fountains everywhere, and we'll check out the rest of the resort in our next video. So with that said, everything that I have shown you today, I've already experienced for one day. I did have a manager knock on my door just to make sure that I had everything that I needed. And last night we had our luggage, we had the bellhop service bring it up because we have our large crate. He was very informative, just letting us know safety in the room and what to be aware of in case of anything, what to do, like close the blinds. You know, we do have double paned windows, and that's when he recommended the extra towels, you know, in case of anything, because you never know. But overall, the service has been great from the time that we got in, that we checked in, that we got our luggage and crate delivered and our little doggies carry-on, and that we set up. And last night the bed was very, very comfortable. And yeah, so I hope you like this video. I enjoyed making it for you. Look a Florida gal, and stay tuned for the next one.